Hi guys, so just taking a quick look at the iPhone 12 Pro Max leather case, and as you can see I did get it in saddle brown. So let's just take a quick look at the packaging. So this is the box, plain and simple. A couple of bits of paperwork inside, don't need that. Right, so this is the case. Good bit, it's got a bit of plastic around the camera, so when you place it down on the table you're not going to scratch the lenses. You've got a metal power button. What I like about these ones is the bottom is all covered up, but you've still got your cutouts obviously, and then you've got your metal buttons for the power button, and you've got your cutout for your mute switch. And there's a little tiny bit of razivity on the front, but not too much. So that is just a quick look at the saddle brown 12 Pro Max case. Let me know in the comments if you picked one of these up or which colour you think I should get next, because I am planning on getting another one. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.